Looking for a reliable tool to tackle your DIY projects? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best drill press for home shop backup. Perfect for hobbyists and weekend warriors who need dependable performance without breaking the bank. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Milescraft 1348 Drill Mate. The Milescraft 1348 Drill Mate is a well-designed and versatile drill guide perfect for home shops and DIY enthusiasts. Its all-metal construction offers outstanding durability, while the large half-inch keyed chuck accommodates a variety of drill sizes, making it suitable for heavy-duty and professional drilling applications. One of its standout features is the infinite angle adjustment capability, allowing users to drill at angles from 0 degrees to 60 degrees, a handy option for crafting, cabinetry, or installing hardware in tight spaces. The extruded aluminum guide head paired with brass bushings minimizes play and ensures greater control over your drilling, giving cleaner, more accurate results. Additionally, the dual spring design improves balance and control, preventing uneven pressure and wandering bits. A built-in V-groove channel conveniently holds and centers round stock, making it ideal for drilling through pipes and dowels. The independent depth stop has its own guide bar so it won't interfere with the springs, ensuring precise drilling depths every time. Included centering pins and a disc offer multiple centering options, enhancing the tool's versatility. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic, the Milescraft 1348 Drill Mate is a reliable, adjustable, and well-crafted drill guide, making it an excellent addition to any home shop tool collection. Number 2. VEVOR 1450 Watt Magnetic Drill. The VEVOR 1450 Watt Magnetic Drill is a high-performance tool built for tough jobs and demanding users. Featuring a powerful 1450 watt copper motor, this mag drill can tackle heavy-duty materials with ease, drilling at speeds up to 800 RPM. It boasts a maximum boring diameter of 2 inches and a coring depth of 2 inches, making it suitable for various industrial and home applications. One of its most impressive elements is the robust 12,800N electromagnetic base, generating 2878 TFBO force that anchors the drill firmly in place during operation, whether vertical, horizontal, or overhead. Added conveniences like a distance scale and ergonomic handle make this drill easy and accurate to use even for less experienced operators. With its versatile functionality, the VEVOR 1450 watt is ideal for home improvement, equipment installation, industrial fabrication, and more. It's a serious tool for serious projects. Number 3. VEVOR 1300 watt Mag Drill Press. The VEVOR 1300 watt Mag Drill Press delivers solid power and dependable performance, making it a practical option for home shops or light industrial use. Equipped with a strong 1300 watt copper motor, this drill achieves impressive speeds up to 810 RPM and handles drilling up to 1.57 inches in diameter with a 2-inch maximum depth. Stability is a key feature, with a reinforced electromagnetic base providing 13,000 N of anchoring force to prevent shifting during use, whether you're working horizontally, vertically, or upside down. The drill's titanium magnesium alloy guide rail offers excellent wear resistance and anti-corrosion properties, extending the tool's service life under frequent use. While this model is particularly well suited for tasks like home improvement, steelwork, and bridge construction, it also shines in other demanding environments. Overall, the VEVOR 1300 watt mag drill press strikes a solid balance between power, precision, and durability for both professionals and serious DIYers.
Number 4. SKIL 6.2 amp Drill Press. The SKIL 6.2 amp drill press is an affordable and reliable solution for home shops and casual users needing a dependable drill press for various materials. Powered by a strong 6.2 amp induction motor, this drill press easily tackles wood, metal, and plastic. It features a versatile 5-speed system, allowing users to adjust drilling speeds between 610 and 2800 RPM, depending on the material and job requirements. The built-in laser alignment system is particularly useful for ensuring accurate and repeatable drilling, even for those new to drill press operation. The SKIL 6.2 amp drill press is both compact and sturdy, making it an excellent choice for workshops where space is at a premium. With user-friendly controls and solid build quality, it's an ideal entry-level option for hobbyists and DIYers looking to upgrade for handheld drills for more precise drilling jobs at home. Number 5. ZELCAN Mag Drill Press. The ZELCAN Mag Drill Press is a heavy-duty, high-performance drilling solution designed for serious metalworking and fabrication jobs. Its impressive 1550-watt copper motor powers through demanding materials, drilling up to 2 inches deep and 2 inches in diameter with ease. Included with the unit are 11 core drill bits covering most standard hole sizes for industrial applications. Anchoring the drill is a robust 13,000 Newton electromagnetic base that transforms into a powerful 2922 lbf holding force, locking the drill securely into place. Whether working vertically, horizontally, or even overhead, it stays firmly anchored, providing both safety and precision. Crafted from wear-resistant, durable materials, the ZELCAN Mag Drill Press is built to withstand rigorous use, making it a great fit for shipbuilding, bridge construction, heavy industrial work, and ambitious home renovation projects. It's a versatile, dependable option for anyone who needs a rugged magnetic drill press that performs reliably under tough conditions.